Alright, so in this problem, I have 3 plus 3 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 5 plus 3 to the power of 7. So I want to find the value of this. So to solve this, 3, well, that's the same thing as 3 to the power of 1, right? So I have 3 to the power of 1 plus 3 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 5 plus 3 to the power of 7. And notice how we start with 1. To get to 1 from 3, we have to add 2. And then to get to 5 from 3, we add 2 again. And to get to 7 from 5, we add 2 again. So the easiest way to actually solve this problem is to rewrite the exponents in favor of 3. So 3 to the power of 1, I'm just going to rewrite as just 3. 3 to the power of 3, I'm going to leave it alone. 3 to the power of 5, I'm going to write this as 3 to the power of 2 plus 3. And 3 to the power of 7, I'm going to rewrite as 3 to the power of 4 plus 3. Something in the form a to the power of m plus n. This is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So, this doesn't apply to these two terms, but 3 to the power of 2 plus 3, I can write that as 3 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 3. And 3 to the power of 4 plus 3, I can rewrite that as 3 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 3. And now from here, I'm going to factor out 3 to the power of 3. And because I can't factor out 3 to the power of 3 from 3 just yet, what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to ignore this 3. So let's just pretend that this isn't here, and let's pretend that this equation was just 3 to the power of 3 plus 3 squared times 3 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 3. So if I factor out 3 to the power of 3, I get 3 to the power of 3 times 1 plus 3 squared plus 3 to the power of 4. And we can just add plus 3 at the end there. Now, 3 to the power of 3 is the same thing as 27. So I get 27 times 1 plus 3 squared, which is 9, plus 3 to the power of 4, which is 27 times 3, which is 81. Now I have plus 3 at the end. Now, 1 plus 9 is 10, and 10 plus 81 is 91. So I get 27 times 91 plus 3. Now, an easy way to solve 27 times 91 is I can rewrite 27 as 20 plus 7 and 91 as 90 plus 1. Now I can distribute. 20 plus 90 is 1800. Plus 20 times 1 is 20, plus 7 times 90 is 630, plus 7 times 1 is 7. 1800 plus 630 is 2430, plus 20 plus 7 is 27. So I get 2467. Sorry, 2457. Now we can't forget our 3 at the end, so I have this plus 3, which is equal to 2460. So 2460 is my answer.